Today I got a package and it's from Miss Ugochi Iwuaba. So if you guys don't know who that is, or if you've been following my journey for a while, then you may or may not know that Ugochi Iwuaba is one of the designers that I've been walking for. I think since I was 10 years old, one of the very first adult designers that I've walked for. And today she actually sent me some shoes because she just came out with her own shoe line. So let's unbox. That's the logo. I know it's backwards. Box a little tore, but took a while to get here. It's okay. It's okay. It's got this nice little print on it. I mean, not on it, but wrapped in. Okay. Oh, so actually, I did get the color yellow, because I think it came in a couple different colors, red and I think camel, and yellow. So, okay. So, here is the shoes. You can see that it's very nice, like yellow. It's more of like a mustard yellow now that I'm looking at it. So this is what it looks like. That's like the top, and you see it has like these really nice African prints on it. I like that, adding some more color to it. It has like I think that's a burgundy and some yellow, some green, some brown. I like it. It's really nice. Then you have the shoelaces that are a little bit more of a brighter yellow. Then in the back it has logo. It's backwards, I know. But yeah, I really like it. And so actually I'm going to be styling up a couple outfits, and make sure you guys look forward to those, because I will be wearing these. All right, bye bye.